song. Folks and hoes.
Alright, so me, Mario, Grant.
Nick, fuck your ass. With Kalen's dick.
Look at Zach. Fuck, it's hot. Don't touch my car.
Ew, why are you so sweaty?
Okay, kids. Let's do this.
Sasuke 99-1.
Shh.
Where I'm going?
Shh. No music. We're gonna have a peaceful drive. I gotta pee. Alright.
You fucking fart?
You got 4 minutes to make.
It's like
Let's go! Don't touch my car.
not touch me.
No, hey, you can't get out. You have a pet. Don't touch me.
Not touch me then.
Wow. Get out of the road.
Maybe your seats stink.
Oh, you smell my seat. Wanna put on some jams?
Oh, man, that's it.
Come in the front.
No. It's not fucking raining. Turn off the damn wipers. We're in the fucking garage.
Simulator. We have to simulate a car crash.
Fucking grand.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in. You have a bet, Grant.
That's the thing I should be done. How's the water, Nick? Pretty good. Nick, it's pretty good water.
Shit water. I taste the gutter in it. What the fuck? How do you stop these?
Nick, I think my bet is over. I've been in here for a while.
Get out of the car.
Nick, I'm getting out of the car.
You have 2 minutes left.
No,
I've been counting. I've been counting on this
10
clock.
minutes.
Look, clock. I've been counting on it.
I've been in here since 7:01. What time is it? Oh, fuck. Kind of minute.
Let's low ride this.
Not raining. Fucking rolling windows and shit. What the fuck, guys?
Get out of the road. I'm gonna run your ass over.
Alright. Hey, I'm gonna do no.
No, you have to.
Done.
You have
Done.
second.
That's it.